Good morning, second graders, and here we are with our performance task on page 723. We'll do a little review of our math that we've been working on. And here we go. Number one, you have two $1 bills, 1/4, 5 dimes, 3 nickels, and 2 pennies. How much more money do you need to buy a subway pass? And let's take a look. This subway pass shows that it is $3 per ride. So we need $3, and we have two $1 bills, 1/4, 5 dimes, 3 nickels, and 2 pennies. Now, I love doing math problems where I can draw them out and figure it out from the pictures. So I have two $1 bills. So I will draw this 1 and 1. So I have two of those. I have 1/4. 1/4. I have 5 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are each worth 10 cents. I have 3 nickels. 1, 2, 3. Those are each worth 5 cents. And I have 2 pennies. 1, 2. And pennies, of course, are worth 1 cent. Now, boys and girls, I know that the $1 bills are each worth 100 cents. 100 and 100. But let's try to count as we go forward. All right, we need to get to $3. Each $1 bill is worth 100 cents. So to get to $3, I need to be at 300 cents. All right. Now, how much more money do you need to buy a subway pass? That is our question. Let's find out how much we have. So I have 100 plus 100 makes 200. Right? When I put this together. Then I add 25 more cents. I have 225 plus 10 more cents. And then I just add 1 to the tens column. 235. Then I add another 10. 245. I add another 10. 255. We're getting closer to 300. Let's keep going. I add another 10, and I have 265. There's another dime, another 10. Plus 10 more is 275. Then I have nickels. And when I'm counting ahead by 5, I could just take off my 200 if you're not comfortable counting like that. And I could say 75, 80. So I add the 200 back and I say I now have 280. Add another 5, 285. And another 5, 290. Then when I add 1, 291, and another 1, 292. So I have 292 cents, and I need 300 cents. All of this adds up to 292. How many more would I need to add to get up to 300? I'm very close. I need to make this 2 go to the next 10. So 2 plus what is going to equal 10, which will then make this 9 go up to the next 10, and then make this 200 go up to 300. Well, I know that 2 plus 8 more is going to equal 10. And that will make this all add up to 300 cents. So how much more money do I need? I need 8 cents. 8 more cents in order to get to 300. There we go. Now, let's look at number one, but B. This is the second part of the same question. It says, you find a dime. Do you have enough money to buy the pass now? Well, let's look. I need 8 cents, and I find a dime. How much were the dimes worth? You're right, 10 cents. If I need 8 cents, and I find something worth 10, do I have enough to buy the pass? Yes, I only needed 8 cents. I found something that was more than 8. There you go. A weekly subway pass is $32. A customer pays with a $50 bill. Use tally marks to show 3 different ways that the customer can receive change. What is the total change? Now remember what we did. We counted and we said we want to get all the way up to where we are, $50, from how much we paid. All right, so let's do tally marks. I have 32. I can say 33, right? We'll do one more dollar bill. 34, 35. Now I can add another 5 to 35, which makes 40, which is $10 away from 50. So this is one way that I can do change, right? All right, so let's take a look and say from 32, I'm going to count up to 50. Here we go, 32, 33, 34, 35. But I need it to be a different way, so let's keep going. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So there's 40, which I know is 10 away from getting to 50. So I'll put 1 here. All right. And let's do another way. Let's see. We'll start at 32 because that's how much we spent. And we need to get up to 50. Let's see. I could say 33, 34, 35. And then I will do this. 40. But I don't want to jump right up to the 50 yet because I already did that one. I could do this. 45 and 50. So I could do one $10 bill, one $5 bill, and 3 $1 bills, or one $10 bill with 8 $1 bills, or 3 $5 bills and 3 $1 bills. Now let's see. It says I need the total change. I could do this. 10 plus 5, right? One $10 bill plus 5, one $5 bill is 15. And then just count up 3, 16, 17, 18. But let's check and make sure that we did them all the right way. One $10 bill plus 5, 6, 7, 8 $1 bills is 18. So this one is 18. This one is 18. Let's make sure. I have 5, 10, 15, plus the $1 bills, 16, 17, 18. How much change should you get if you spend $32 and you pay with a $50 bill? You should get $18 change, right? And don't forget to put the cents or the dollar sign. All right. Now this one's a little tricky. This one says you arrive at the subway station at 2:45. What times will the subways arrive? So we have car A will be there in 5 minutes after you get there, and car B will be there in 10 minutes after you get there. So the first thing I want to do is I want to draw a clock that talks about 2:45. Now, clocks always start at 12. On the bottom of the clock, there is a 6. All the way on the right is a 3, and all the way on the left is a 9. To go from 12 to 3, I need a 1 and a 2. From 3 to 6, I need a 4 and a 5. From 6 to 9, I need 7 and 8. From 9 to 12, I need a 10 and an 11. And in the center, we have where the hands spin around. All right. So 2:45. That means that it has not gotten to 3 yet. So I'm going to put my hour hand between the 2 and the 3, right? 2:45. And you remember that we said a quarter of the way around the clock is if we cut the clock into 4 sections. That is 1/4. There's another quarter. There's another quarter. And here's the final quarter. 1 section, 2 sections, 3 sections, 4 sections. When I have 4 sections, they are cut into quarters. Now it's 2:45. Now, when it's 3 o'clock, it's straight up and down the minute hand. And 1/4 to 3, we go back 1/4. So I'm going to draw my minute hand pointing at the 9. All right. That is our starting point. You arrive at the subway station at 2:45. In what time will the subways arrive? Now it says car A will get there in 5 more minutes. So let's see. I have this when I go forward 5 more minutes. That's going to stop right there. That's where car A will get there. And car B will get there in 10 more minutes. So I go from here. This is the time we have now. And we have 1 or 5 and 10. So this is where B is. All right. So let's do our time. Subway A is going to not be to the 3 yet. It will be still at the 2. And subway B, the car B, will not be up to the 3 yet, so it is still a 2. We know those for sure. Now, we just need to find out how much if we go around. 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 for A, and one more set of 5, 55 for B. All right, I hope you had fun reviewing, and I will see you later.